A bride was arrested at her own wedding reception near Phoenix after she kicked a police officer. Officers responding to a call found a large brawl at the backyard reception. The guests got angry and aggressive toward the officers, and the bride charged a partygoer. She also kicked an officer and was arrested on charges of assault and obstructing governmental operations. And the culprit starting a New York City fire used 4 legs, moved slow, and was green. Fire officials say a pet turtle sparked a fast-moving fire in an apartment after crawling out of its tank and knocking over the heat lamp. Officials say 1 firefighter and 3 police officers suffered from smoke inhalation. But Giovanni, the turtle, an old African tortoise the size of a basketball, survived.